Hello and welcome to this new video. This is Ashraf and today we will talk about Arduino. So let's get started. The Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on an easy to use hardware and software used to build electronics projects. This board is a very popular board. All Arduino boards have one thing in common, which is a microcontroller. Arduino is a platform and an environment, not just a specific product. It is a collection of hardware and software that is open source, easy to use, and everyone can reuse it. Arduino contains a small piece of code that is called the Arduino bootloader. This code is necessary in order for Arduino to interact with the Arduino IDE, which is the software used to program Arduino using C language. This software has a lot of libraries that makes Arduino a very popular board. These libraries replace the more complex interactions with C codes that requires hours of coding. With these libraries, you can easily program Arduino using functions and methods. And we are going to explain everything about this in the coming lessons. The most popular Arduino board is Arduino Uno. Now, Arduino Uno is one of the boards that is most sold by Arduino, and we are going to use it in the coming lessons in the practical explanation. You can get your own Arduino Uno using the link in the description, and we are waiting for you on our stores. Arduino Uno is the most popular one, but it's not the only board. There are a heap of other options that you can select from. We have Arduino Mini, we have Arduino Mega, we have Arduino Duo, and other boards that offers different specifications depending on your specific need. The getting started board is Arduino Uno. We have also Arduino Uno getting started kits with some of the electronic components that you will need to do practical experiments. You can check the links in the video description to get more information about our top-selling Arduino kits. This is only an introduction lesson. In the coming lessons, we are going to cover more topics, advanced topics on how to program Arduino in a step-by-step manner, starting with how to install the Arduino IDE and moving forward to the Arduino hardware specifications and how to turn on your first LED. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf, and don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and visit this channel frequently to see the future lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next.